Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Well, I quickly thought I'd just pop in, not a lot of room here at the moment because we've got freezers and stuff for the restaurant in here. What are we on? 73%, so I just wanted to check the batteries because we actually used the aircon last night for the first time. Normally the batteries are sitting on around 94-95%, but obviously it's definitely using a little bit, but that should top them back up no problem today anyway. So I just wanted to pop in, have a quick look, just see where we are. Yeah, it's just feeding down and topping up the batteries at the moment. But yeah, I mean, since we've had this excuse me, since we've had this solar system, we haven't had a single bill. Well, the only bill we've actually had is we get a surcharge on the electric, which is 26 baht. So the whole house plus the restaurant is completely free energy off of the solar. It's going to be interesting to see once obviously the weather gets a lot hotter, we start using the air cons more and bits and pieces like that. It's going to be interesting to see how much it drops. I mean, if we need to draw from the government electric, we will. It's not a problem. But at the moment, zero bills, which is good. Let's go and have a quick look down at the bottom, see what they're up to this morning. And yeah, it looks like, I'll turn around, looks like they've opened it all up this morning, so you'll be able to actually see it. So I'll just get through the gate as usual, and then we'll have a quick look, see what they're doing. Right guys, so we're through the gate. Just gonna have a quick look, see what they're up to. We've got quite a bit of rubbish to clear. Looks like Tam's busy picking up a few bits and pieces this morning. Yeah, so they're busy levelling off the ground here and sorting that out. So this is what it actually looks like once it's all open, guys. So like I said, it's all concertinas round. They will fold a bit flatter. So yeah, it's all completely open this morning. So I'll put it down the bottom, spin around and have a look. So yeah, I think they're just doing like few finishing touches here and there, and that'll be it. They'll be pretty much sorted on this then. And then yeah, it's just tidy it up, get everything else sorted, and then trip down to Pattaya for a few days. And then we'll be back and we'll be in the point of literally getting ready to open. End of the month. But you can find our restaurant. It is on Google Maps. We've swapped it from Lumpong and we've moved it up to Nong Kung Si. If you search on Google Maps, you put in boat noodles in Nong Kung Si, it should come up. And you should be able to see us, but I will share the actual link once we're due to open. I'll actually get the link properly and I'll share it on the site, well, on my page. So yeah, right then, I'll leave it there for now. Be back in a bit, guys. We'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, let's go down. It's just after lunchtime. Let's pop and have a quick look, see what's going on. I'll tell you what guys, this temperature is really starting to pick up here. It's definitely getting a tad warmer, that's for sure. I'll spin around. So busy levelling all this out. So that's all being sorted out, ready for the membrane to go down and then the gravel to go on the top of that. So we're literally just doing up to the edge here and then across over to here as well. So it just sort of finishes this edge off, just tidies it right up. So, but yeah, she's cracking on with it, shifting it about. haven't put the pipes deep enough for my liking, and not enough for, but it is what it is. It's too late now, but yeah, so it's all coming on. Tan's been down here having a bit of a tidy up today, and myself, I was down here earlier giving her a hand. So this one's getting clearer, so we should be able to look at getting some tables and chairs up here soon. I think I might just wash all this over, give it a good, really good clean. Well, I want to obviously before restaurants, very dirty still, so yeah, I'll get something to sort that, and we'll give it a good clean, and then this side will be done. Tam's found the bungee straps I picked up for her from Mr. DIY earlier. I picked up a load of locks and stuff earlier as well, and I put a little gully up on this this bit up here, just something which it'll catch any of the bits, you know, sort of little bits of food and what have you. Not the best setup, I've got to say, but it's got a little gully in there. We can just catch the bits, take them out. I think the water's going to sit on the top of that anyway. If it does, I can always chop a bit more out and take it down a bit so it takes it away. But it shouldn't be too bad. Well, like I said, it's only just to wash out some of her pots and bits and pieces. That's it. So, but it's definitely coming on. They're doing a good job of it. In all fairness, we're down to just the main chap and his wife today. I think the other people have gone because it's day for voting. So they've all shot off to go and cast their votes. And yeah, so there we go. So I just thought I'd bring it back down, and we'll come back down again just before it gets dark, I bet, when they go. So we'll catch you in a bit, guys. Alright guys, I'll thought I'd bring you back down, show you this evening's progress. I'll spin you around. So it looks like they are probably going to finish tomorrow. I think they're pretty much up together and done. So we're going to have a little bit of concrete just going back in here just to finish that bit. I've got them to put a weed barrier down on all this area here, and then that's all going to be chip-ins, like stone chip-ins on, just to finish that off. I think, I'm not sure, I might get a coat of paint on these walls. I might just let them dry off a little bit more first, just to make 100% sure, don't want it peeling. Or we might just leave them, I don't know yet. But they've been quite busy, just finishing a load of little bits and pieces off. They've done some extra poles and stuff on the front over here. So these will obviously extend up further. And the same over this side and this side. Tom's just took a load of stuff round to another bit of land we got round the other side, just to get shot of it. We've tidied up one area, which is this area over here. I'll just take in. So this area is all pretty much tidied up now. And we had a bit of a clean up here earlier on, so this area is pretty much sorted. We'll clean it all again, have a really good wipe down obviously before we think about opening it. But like we said, we're looking all going well. We should be looking towards the end of this month. For anybody who's out here and who is interested in coming up to trying some of Tam's food at some point, I will post the it's on Google Maps at the moment. She's moved the address from where we were in Nampong up to here. So it is on Google Maps. And I will actually put the link in the comments at a little later date when we get round to, you know, just before we open. We'll put that in. Shut that up. I'm going to have a look at the other side. So yeah, they pretty much got most of it sorted. This bit over here, I think they still got all the tools and stuff in here at the moment. Yeah. So obviously they got to clear their bits and pieces out, but I'm pretty sure they're going to be finished tomorrow. I'm pretty sure on that. So yeah. So not bad going, guys, really, for you know, the time they've actually took. I think they've done a cracking job. We've come in pretty much on budget for the actual stuff itself, which was 225,000 for the whole lot, and it's pretty much there. I think it might go over just a little bit. Just obviously we've got to get some food and obviously put a stock in of beer and you know, soft drinks and bits and pieces. But yeah, I think we're really getting there now. So anyway, guys, that's about it for this vlog. I'll post again tomorrow. But yeah, we're nearly there. Anyway, thank you all very, very much for tuning in and following the build. If you're not subscribed, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'd really like to get a few more subscribers if possible. It would really help the channel out, and yeah, it would be good. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there. So thank you very much, guys, and all left for me to say is we will see you on the next one. So take it easy, guys. We'll see you soon. Bye bye.